Hi, I'm Shivanki, second year CSE department. Studying AI and ML at Vel Tech University has been a transformative journey with exceptional infrastructure, including a dedicated NVIDIA server. Students gain hands-on experiences building and deploying real-world AI models, which is a rare opportunity at undergraduate level. Over 80% of our faculty hold PhDs and lead advanced researchers in the areas like crop disease prediction, smart monitoring, and blockchain in AI, offering students direct involvement in live projects. Combined with strong industrial ties, regular workshops, and expert-led seminars, the program bridges classroom learning with real-world applications. I'm grateful to Vailtech for providing guidance, resources, and opportunities for shaping the future with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you.